We all thought the next Mini would go the way of the Fiat 500 and go pure electric. And sure enough, the first 2024 Mini released last year, at the end of last year in fact, was a dedicated EV. It was the electric Mini Cooper with prices starting from £30,000. But praise the Lord, BMW hasn't quite given up with the internal combustion engine for the Mini just yet. And two petrol 3-door Coopers built here in Oxford in the UK have been announced. They go on sale starting from £22,300. There's the Mini Cooper C with a 156 brake horsepower 3-cylinder engine. It has 230 Newton meters of torque. It'll do 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. And then there's the good old Mini Cooper S that gets 204 brake horsepower, 300 Newton meters of torque, 4 cylinders, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds, and that's at 26,700. Unlike the electric version, this one gets the wheel arch extensions back. I think it's better for it. And of course the interior on these is just amazing. It should be fun to drive too, I reckon. Minis always are, but there is a downside. There will not be a manual version. Still, looking forward to trying it. Meanwhile, it's farewell to the split barn door Mini, the Clubman. After making over 500,000 of the modern Mini Clubman versions, the last model has rolled off the line. And that's actually 55 years since the module's debut in 1969. Well, actually the silhouette really, because originally it was the Austin 7 Countryman and the Morris Mini Traveller with the longer chassis and those split rear doors. It came back after 25 years as the Mini Clubman in 2007. I remember taking the family down to the east coast of the UAE in one of these for a holiday, and the kids were little and they didn't really mind me chucking that car around on the mountain roads. It was so much fun. This is one car that I will miss. Farewell, Mini Clubman. Brown car guy. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video as well if you can. And while you're at it, check out these guys who also sponsor my content. I am deeply grateful to them because it helps me to buy new equipment, put fuel in the cars, and yes, buy a cup of coffee. You can do the same. Just go here or right here on YouTube. Just hit these 3 little dots down here and click on thanks. Make sure you're signed in first. My content is free, but this is how you can help me keep it that way. I may even send you a gift. Oh, by the way, watch this next.